Мы находимся на пути возвращения инфляции к цели, но этот путь еще не пройден до конца.
We are on the path to returning inflation to target, but this path has not yet been completed. There are already initial results. They allowed us to reduce the key rate again today, smoothly adapting the degree of monetary policy tightness to reduce inflationary pressure. Furthermore, we have revised downwards our forecast of the average key rate to 18.8 to 19.6% per annum in 2025 and 12 to 13% per annum in 2026. Budget policy remains an important input for our forecast. We assume that the budget rule will be followed this year and in the following years. If budget plans change, it may be necessary to adjust the key rate trajectory. The ruble exchange rate is affected by flows not only in the current account, but also in the financial account of the balance of payments. Owing to high interest rates, ruble assets remain more attractive to Russian households and companies as compared with foreign assets. Coupled with more moderate demand for imports, this ensures the stability of the ruble exchange rate despite a slight decline in exports. As compared to April, we have revised downwards our forecast of Russian crude prices to $55 per barrel for this year and next. Trade tensions between the largest economies will be weighing on external demand, while an expansion of OPEC plus oil production will increase the supply of oil. In these conditions, we have also slightly decreased the forecast of exports and the current account surplus for the next 2 years. I've already explained why there were no reasons to worry about risk of bad debts and recapitalization of Russian banks. Because we should look at data and financial indicators. The banks are sustained, they earn, there is the capital stock. So, all these factors permit them to feel steady. We always keep in mind this risk of new sanctions on Russian financial sector. We know that it exists. Besides a basic scenario which provides for the same level of sanctions, we also have an alternative risk scenario, under which we are considering a possible tightening of sanctions. In general, the financial sector has already shown through practice and experience that it is quite resistant to sanctions, and we are pursuing a policy so that this resistance does not decrease.
Ну, что я могу сказать? В целом, по оценке...